Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pujita. I'm a sustainability enthusiast. I have a small business called Scrunch Up. I have a small library called Autism Family Library. And I also teach people how to compost. Sustainability is something which makes me very excited because the idea that we can do something it just boggles my mind, and I'm very happy about that. Today is going to be about a small initiative that me and few of our friends started. It's called flower waste composting. We started doing that in Dubai. So we are a set of volunteers who accept flowers that go to waste, flower waste, and we compost it at home. Basically, we just take care of that waste. Or some of my friends have tried making something out of it, but I only know how to compost flower waste, and uh, that is what I'm going to show today. Someone just told me that she's coming home to give a little bit of flowers, a few flowers that they use on a daily basis. So thankfully, it was pretty dry and it was in a dry bag. So what happens is the flowers, if it gets dried up, it's probably lighter and easier, easier, but it's not easy to get composted. That's one thing. It just acts as a brown material. So that's what I'm going to show you, and let's get on with the video. Thank you.
Last time also message you that about I have so many flowers with the red and was
Yeah, yeah, I wrote it. Yeah, you.
you were clear with so many flowers and so much nice
That's okay. That's okay. Which block are you from actually?
28.
Okay, 28.
My doctor is coming on 4 8.
Okay. 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 Thank you. Thank you so much. So yeah, I got these flower waste from my neighbor. I just got them, and so I'll need to put it immediately inside the composter. I'm sorry, I'm doing a voiceover because my mic didn't work at that point of time, so there was a lot of disturbance. So unless I finish it right now, it won't happen. What happens is generally when I get flower waste, I just forget about it and keep it in the balcony. Now I felt that since I got it, I should finish this. And so I thought I'll just show you guys what I do here. So the buckets that I showed that side are my flower waste composting buckets, not necessarily my food waste buckets. I separate them because it's puja waste from my neighbors. If it's our puja waste, I don't separate them from my food waste. I just let it be. Now I'm showing you the contents of this bucket, and you can see that it's kind of composted. It's not composted, it's brown and it's black in color, which means it's become like carbon. So it's equivalent to carbon. It's becoming slowly because it was all dried inside. So I just added a little bit of water and it became better for composting. So right now I just need to add the current flowers that I got from my neighbor into this bucket, and probably cover it with more browns and add a little water because this is already dried up. So even if because it's dried, it might not compost again. Become it'll become black, it'll become brown, like how leaves get composted. Yes. You just have to add a little bit of browns that I have already collected after sieving my compost. So these act as browns because they are from the compost, and though they are large bits of compost, and they act as browns because they are yeah, because it's carbon, it's got a lot of carbon content in that. So I'll let me add that to this. So I will be adding the whole thing which I see there, and so I'll just cover it up completely, layer it up. And what I have to do is I'll just have to probably sprinkle, I have to sprinkle some water into this so that it is moist. I was just talking about coconut, this one, coires. Coconut coires do not get composted, unfortunately, but you can let it stay inside the compost bin. And what happens is over time, as in probably a year or something like that, it will compost. So I'm right now taking the some water. So I'll just screw it open. This is bioenzyme water actually. So later about bioenzyme in another video. But I'm just opening up, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sprinkle some water into this bin so that it starts the process of composting with a little bit of moisture. Moisture is needed in composting, and hence I'm just adding a little bit of that moisture which is needed inside the compost bin. And yeah, and we are almost done here. I just need to close this and we are done. That's about it. Hope you like this video, and do let me know in the comments if any of you are composting your waste. That will keep me excited and keep me going. I'm very passionate about composting because keeping that 60% of your kitchen waste and waste that actually gets biodegraded easily out of the landfills is so it's really a huge boost, and it reduces the methane emissions, which gives me a lot of hope. The composting process gives me a lot of hope. So I hope you like this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this about sustainability, about composting, and how to compost your food waste in general is for another video. As of now, this will be the end of this video. See you guys on the next video. Bye.